Hello and welcome to a Counterpart Solutions Smart Council Tour. In this quick demonstration, John would like to request an additional bin using the integrated customer and property solution. Giving John the opportunity to request an additional bin through the solution allows council to regain control over the way they provide bin services for their customers by maintaining high data quality. Welcome to the Smart Council portal, where John can find all waste-related requests or search for them directly. When he selects Add an additional bin, John can read through the knowledge article to view any request-specific information. If John knows he meets the criteria, he can proceed and provide the address the bins will be associated with. Notice, if John selects an address that does not have any bins registered to it, he cannot proceed. This is because a property must be eligible for bin services to request an additional bin. Next, John is presented with all bin options available to him, based on the address he selected. By linking bins to a property, council can increase data quality, and as a result, ensure customers follow restrictions on bin types and sizes. In this case, John has reached his cap on yellow bins, and therefore can only select red or green bins. Once confirmed, John can then read and agree to the terms and conditions, review his selections, and enter his contact details. Finally, John can view payment totals, subtotals, and GST for the bin selected, and pay via the embedded payment gateway. Once submitted, John will be presented a confirmation screen, and he will also receive a system automated confirmation email. John has now requested an additional bin for his council property. Thank you for taking the time to watch this Smart Council tour. If you would like to know more about Counterpart Solutions and the Smart Council product, please contact us at info@counterpartsolutions.com and request a demo today.